The fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies has spread its wings towards diverse sectors such as the Metaverse and NFTs. Talking about Metaverse, Decentraland has been an ace player in the sector. To novices in the business, Decentraland is one of the efficient virtual reality platforms powered by the Ethereum blockchain, which is home to its digital token, Mana. With Decentraland's growing prominence in the industry and expensive land sales, growing events, marketers are curious about the Decentraland price prediction in the near future. And for the long term, and are you one of those curious minds from Mana Price, then join in as we decode the price forecasts of Mana for 2023 and the years to come. The price was seen trading in the consolidated range between 3,535 and 3,746 for a brief period, following which the price broke the resistance level and started trading under the influence of the bulls. The market then started trading in a closed range between 41.36 and 43.98, after which the price regained momentum and broke out of the resistance level. Further, the price traded sideways for a while after facing rejection at 48.48, after which the price broke down to the support level of 43.98. The price then displayed the significant price movement in its chart for the rest of November. December started positively as the bulls regained power over the bears and displayed a jump of over 25% over the first week. The price recently faced rejection at $5,525, after which the price has experienced a minor correction in value, which very much more instant in the sense the moving average convergence divergence displays a constant green histogram for almost a week, indicating a negative price action for the coin. Further, the histogram displayed a steady rise, suggesting the price will continue gaining value in the coming days. And if the bulls manage to hold power over the bears, the price will prepare itself to test the resistance level of 55.25 in the coming days. Conversely, if the bears regain their power and a bearish trend occurs, then the price will fall to the 50.95 level. Further, if the market fails to regain momentum, then the price may continue to fall and test its lower support level of $0.4848. With the impetus from land trades, virtual events, and developments, the price could soar to its annual closing value of 68 cents. That said, with a steady momentum without any other major interference from the bears, the digital asset could trade at an average price of 29 cents. However, if negative criticism strikes, the bears could drop the price to 4. As previously said, the metaverse sector is witnessing astounding seekers, which is now spanning across borders and horizons. The transaction demographics are even between both the West and the project. This is an overwhelming feat, as it gives a brief insight into the future of the project. The growing adoption of Decentraland could push Mana tokens to its potential high of $1.31 by the end of 2024. In contrast, the foray of bigger firms and aggressive marketing could leave Decentraland in the shade. In such a case, the digital coin would land at a low of $62. Collectively, considering the bullish and bearish targets, an average Mana coin price might land at 96 cents. In the coming years remain crucial for Decentraland. And no, it can be turntable for itself in its native asset Mana, as the industry would see a revolutionary shift towards the metaverse sector. Decentraland could find newer partnerships and developments and host more significant and never seen before events, which could propel the price to $1.97. On the flip side, if the protocol loses out on steam because of emerging and more prominent rivals, the coin's price could fall to 99 cents. That said, regular buying committees and selling pressures could land the price at 148. According to forecast prices and technical analysis, Decentraland's price is projected to reach a minimum of $1.61 in 2026. The maximum price could hit 286 cents with an average trading price
of around $2.23. Looking forward to 2027, Mana's price is expected to reach a low of $2.52 with a high of $3.69 and an average forecast price of $3.10. In 2028, the price of a single Decentraland is anticipated to reach a minimum of $356 with a maximum of $4.38 and an average price of $3.97. And by 2029, Decentraland's price is predicted to reach a minimum of $4.17 with the potential to hit a maximum of $5.25 and an average of $4.71. In 2030, the Mana coin price is predicted to touch its lowest price at $5.15, hitting a high of $6.17 and an average price of $5.66. We have made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are homes. The average targets set by the respective firms. Mana might grow in the future as it allows users to develop and monetize. The altcoin may also emerge as the leading virtual trading platform in the world and the go-to venue for virtual events. That said, for the year 2023, the Mana price might close the annual trade with a pricier tag of 68 cents. However, bearish trends could limit the price to 29 cents, and regular trade practices could land the price at 48 cents. Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, co-founder at Decentraland. Esteban Ordano is the co-founder and advisor of Decentraland. He held the position of Chief Technology Officer at Decentraland, though he was promoted to a more advisory role post the platform became a decentralized autonomous organization. Before founding Decentraland, he was the advisor at Matic Network, an international sustainable Web3 infrastructure on Ethereum. Ordano founded Smart Contract Solutions 2015 and helped build some Bitcoin-related products. Basically, Ordano was a software engineer that helped several companies, including Google, where he was a software engineer and site reliability engineering intern, and designed and developed tools for multi-device automated testing, design, and development of a cluster benchmarking tool. Later, he switched to work at ITBA as a teaching assistant in 2010, and consequently began to serve as software engineer at BitPay Inc. in 2014. BitPay is a financial service that accepts Bitcoin and cryptocurrency payments. And at ghodano@gmail.com, Entrepreneur Chief Technology Officer founded Decentraland, and both have stepped down from their major positions at the project. Now they're assisting Decentraland as advisors. Ariel Milik worked as project lead at Decentraland from 2017 to 2020. He also established several other startups, such as an online translation agency and a CRM platform. Ariel previously worked as an analyst at Charles River Ventures, a reputed Silicon venture fund. Co-founder Esteban Ordano has experience working as a software engineer at BitPay Incorporated. He also worked as an advisor to Matic Network and previously handled his smart contract development startup known as Smart Contract Solutions. Supply and demand, a spike in supply and demand can help surge the price of this coin to new highs. Inflation of fiat currencies, hyperinflation could drive people and governments towards cryptocurrencies as an alternative, and its business substitutional bank in attractive cases, which important to make people and mental health. The Ukrainians are covering they've done in attractive cases. It's best way to type a digital case, and Decentraland is the virtual reality platform that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It enables users to purchase land that can be later built and monetized. It is the first virtual platform wholly owned and managed by the users. The protocol has 3 layers: the consensus layer, the laying content layer, and the real-time layer. Interestingly, Decentraland uses 2 tokens, which are Mana and Land. Mana is an ERC20 token that runs on Ethereum. The token can be utilized to pay for a range of avatars, names, wearables, and more on the Decentraland marketplace.
And Decentraland's main aim is to help content creators, individuals, and businesses looking for a new artistic medium or provide a platform for new business opportunities. Mana made its way to the crypto market on the 17th of September with a price of $1,026. However, the token declined to as low as $1,009 by the end of October. Later, the price steadily started to recover and hit 13 cents by mid-December, but plunged to 0.96 by year-end. The token continued to trade at 10 cents during early January. Shockingly, the token declined to 5 cents by early February and reached a support level of 14 cents by mid-February. Mana could freeway more than managed to trade between the range of 5 cents and 17 cents for the majority of the year. The year was concluded with a price tag of 4 cents, and Mana had commenced 2019 on a bearish note with a price tag of 4 cents. As the bears continued to drag the prices down, the token slumped to 3 cents by certain alterations in the price. The token was exchanging trades between 3 cents and 4 cents for several months. Interestingly, the price declined to 3 cents and recovered to 3 cents by December. According to Shockingly, the token sank to 2 cents in March as the crypto market crashed due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Further, with a steady recovery, the price hovered between 3 cents and 80 cents until it hit 10 cents in August. Later, with certain variations, the price consolidated between 7 cents and cents of 80 cents till December. With an expansion of the bearish run, Mana continued to trade at 8 cents during the start of January. The market-wide crash in May plunged the price to $33.68. The bull run was resumed in June. Successively, Mana managed to rise to $1.07 in September. After a bearish start to Q4, the announcement of Meta drove Mana to 3.7 by the 2nd of November. December was a turbulent month for Mana. The altcoin traversed from $2.972, $4.08, and finally to $3.39.9. And in Coinpedia, we have dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place. Just know Mana can neither be halved nor mined. According to our Decentraland price prediction, Mana price could soar as high as $1.48 by the end of 2023. Yes, Mana is a profitable investment in the long term, factoring in the future of the metaverse. Altcoin could hit a maximum of $3.92 by the end of 2025. With a potential surge, the price may go as high as $10.67 by the end of 2030. The digital asset is available for trade across leading cryptocurrency exchange firms such as Coinbase Pro, Binance, OKEx, and will be global. At the time of publishing, the price of 1 Mana was $5,328.